participants who have been part of this association since its birth until present. They will offer a gift and express their wishes for the celebrant since its... May I request the President, Ms. Rosalie Bahade, to receive the token. Here they are. Let's welcome Susan Camital. Sana marami pang anniversary ang dumating at sama-sama pa rin tayo sa mga susunod pang anniversary ng AFIL.
These are their messages. Next, Rosario Zarate. Sembra solo ieri quando abbiamo inaugurato l'AFIL, un grande onore esserci al 18° anniversario, augurando di essere sempre uniti ancora per tanti anni. Grazie. Marilyn Cubillan.
Sana magkasama pa tayo hanggang triple 18 na gaganapin mabuhay.
A message from Mr. and Mrs. Oliver Yambaunat from Marilyn Cubillan. Message Franklin Galano. I've been a part of this association since I arrived to Torino. I'm thankful enough to be a part of it. AFIL is my family.
Sebedy Salazar. Happy 18th anniversary, AFIL. I'm happy and proud to be here with you. You're my second family. Grazie di assistere.
Roberto Gabriel.
Mr. and Mrs.
Reynaldo Robles. Congrats sa lahat ng grupo dito sa Italy. Ang AFIL ang pinakamatatag.
Mr. and Mrs. Reynaldo Robles. We've been part of the association just few years, but then we feel at home. That's why we give all the dedications and efforts to AFIL as we believe in this group, where our kids are enjoying and learning our Filipino culture. More power, AFIL, and happy 80th anniversary.
From Mr. and Mrs. June Formarejo, nagpapasalamat ang aking pamilya at naging parte kami ng AFIL sa loob ng 18 taon at laging kapamilya. Isang tunay na samahan na walang itinatangi ano ka man at anong antas ng buhay. Sa mga kabataan o bagong henerasyon, sana ipagpatuloy nila ang tunay na layunin ng AFIL. Ang bayanihan kung saan andon ang pagtutulungan, pagbibigayan at pag-ibig sa kapwa. More power, happy 18th anniversary AFIL. Mabuhay ka!
Mr. and Mrs. Edwin Castillo. Mr. and Mrs. Alice Pinheiro. Happy 18th birthday, AFIL. At sana'y tumagal pa ang sama na ito para marami pang mga tao, lalo na ang mga kabataan na matulungan. At dahil magpresidente pa si Tomas na anak namin.
From Marisa Ivano, maraming salamat sa 18 taon na ating pagsasama at sana ay marami ka pang matulungan. Happy 18th birthday!
Mr. and Miss Emerjon Regala. Akfil will always be part of our lives because here we found good friends, extended family members, and situation staff as how to deal with different people and be aware of our community and not just of what we want and need.
From Mr. and Mrs. Edwin Bautista, my family were happy and contented because Akfil became our second family, and with every member of this association, we spent more happiness and working together unconditionally. All memories remains to everyone. I'm so thankful because my daughter has met many people and has become more secure and proud to herself. I wish all the best and more power for the future of our kids. Happy 18th anniversary, Akfil.
Miss Marilo Orozco. How time flies, in spite of the ups and downs, Akfil keeps on moving, giving a hand that contributes for the welfare of the OFWs. Congratulations, Akfilians, and proud to be a part of it.
From Joy Magbanwa, congratulations, Akfil, for your 18 years of public service, especially to OFWs here in Turi. Continue your good work and never give up. Again, mabuhay, Akfil.
Miss Lourdes Limbaga. Akfil, happy 18th anniversary. For 18 years, you've made it. More power and more blessings for the coming years.
And to complete the 18 treasures from Minda Teves, my love for my fellow OFWs symbolizes this treasure that I'm going to impart with you, Akfil, especially the next generation. I may become weak and my vision will be blurred someday, but rest assured that many more servants will come your way to prepare the path. Maybe not a paved one, but a path that will guide you for a better world to live in. Mabuhay ka! Let's give them a warm of applause. Thank you so much, participants of 18 Treasures. Palakpakan po natin muli sila. Let's move on to the next part, the slicing of the anniversary cake.